Hello! Greetings! Welcome to Daikas Car Toy, an anime action figure! How's everybody? I hope everyone is in good mood, good condition, and of course, good health. The action figure that I'm gonna post today supposed to be was being posted last week. I'm apologizing on that. I got busy on my day job and never too late. Beautiful. And let's do this. I see. Move. Chica, chichi. Ta-da! This is the one we're gonna unbox today. This one of the Ashira on Demon Slayer. In his name is Tengen Uzui. Tengen Uzui. There you go. Let's do this. Just drink an energy drink. And please watch the second part of the video. We're gonna talk more regarding about Tengen Isuhi. There you go. It's turntable time. That's a very interesting thing. Okay. Big box. I mean, it's not big box, but it's kind of tight in there. There's the box. And I'm gonna put it on this side so we can compare it. Okay, we have 4 compartments over here. First compartment, we got the platform, the body, and I believe this is a weapon, and I formed a head. Okay. Whew. It's getting warm over here on my place. Yeah, the whole summer is hot, almost always 3 digit, almost daily. And at the same time, we're busy on my work. Sometimes you work nights to avoid the heat. This is the body, and we start early too at the same time to avoid heat. But they adjust our time schedule. Before we're 8 hours, now we're 10 hours. So even though we start early, we're still getting up late, and we're still in the heat. But it's alright, follow all your heat precaution, drink a lot of liquids, and if you feel kind of you're reaching your limit in your heat, take a break. Cooling period, at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Maximum is 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the platform, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This one is one of the Hashira on Demon Slayer, and this is the body, the headless Hashira. He got his character there, probably, I don't know what is say, probably Demon Slayer or his name, Tengen Isui. There you go. He got his flip-flops. There you go. And he got his head over there. He got ponytail. It's like Naturo. He got a headband, and he got this tattoo in the left eye. And this is his weapon. Okay, let's put him together. Let's put together first the head and the body. Okay, this one is not difficult to put on. There's no instruction on it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. But there's a groove that you need to follow. Much over there. So we're gonna lock. Let me put it together first. There you go. And you can feel it like a small click click. There you go. Now let's put him in the platform. Same thing in the platform. I keep mentioning all the time. Don't be mistaken. One small and one bigger one. This one is small, hole, and the big one. And at the same time, where's the foot is. Okay, so gonna be like this. Sometimes you need to spread the leg a little bit. There you go. There you go. Okay, easy peasy. Now let's do the sword, his weapon. Let me get the scissor. Just want to remind everybody, please be careful if you have any sharp object. Make sure all the time is pointing away for you so you won't be poked. There you go. Okay. This one is like Tanjiro weapon. It's like a big knife, kitchen knife. You know, Tanjiro is he's on the Tanjiro. He's on the Bleach. There you go. Almost the same weapon. Only the difference, I think Tanjiro weapon is more bigger. A little bit. This look like kitchen knife, huh? Okay. I think this one is going in the back. So if you can see, there's a hole in the back. And it's like a platform. Same thing. You know, there's a groove on it that you need to follow. If you can, like a L shape. Same thing over here in the back, in the hole. So I believe this one is doing like this. Easy peasy. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is one of the Hashira on Demon Slayer, and his name again is Tenjin Izui. There you go. Let's compare. Same. Oh, okay. A little bit the thingy over here. We just need to spread it from the headband. So it's close to the base. Let's just make it straight a little bit. There you go. Only this one that I see, not. There you go. It's soft. It's like plastic, so just be careful on that silver, like for the hair. He got his gold for the muscle. I don't know what to call it. I believe from the wrestler in the 80s, 90s, Warrior wearing this one too, but it's like a cloth. And he got this purple for the hand, and the goldie over here, and his hand is in the hips, white belt, and even the curve of his clothes almost identical from the picture of the box. And he got his red socks. Okay, there you go. That's more visible. Red socks, and I don't know, probably this one's a pocket. There's a white thing over here. There you go. And he got his flip-flops, sandals. It's like a ninja. There you go. That's a sword. They wrap. If they're gonna use it, they unwrap it. It's a like big kitchen knife. Beautiful, nicey. And there's a chain in between. You can see. Yeah, you can see there's a chain over there. If you can see the picture. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I just want to invite you again to watch It's Turntable Time, and we're gonna talk more regarding about Mr. Tenjin Uzui. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and apologizing again why only now I unboxed the. Possibly this one was being unboxed last week, but I got busy a little bit. Oh, Chichi, don't do that. He's biting the cord. Okay, ladies and gents, she's biting the cord. We have a new pet companion. And I'm always reminding everybody, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.